Hi friends, it's Sunday and that means it's time for a little Sunday training, and tonight we're talking about virtual business cards. So a ton of you have probably just started your business, or maybe you've been in this a while. Business cards are just one of those things that people expect you to have when you're in business, but honestly, what do you really do with the business card, right? I have a stack of them in my purse from networking meetings and things, and I usually follow up with them the day after the meeting and like send Facebook messages or try to connect with them on LinkedIn or social media. But most of the time, I lose those business cards. And so when I'm trying to find that person, I really struggle. So, and the other thing is that is when I hand out my business card, I don't usually get something back unless I'm at like a networking thing. So if we're at dinner or something, or somebody sees my window decal on my car, they may ask me for a business card or whatever, and I give it to them, but what do I get back? So the cool thing about virtual business cards is it's something you're going to text message to them or picture message to them or Facebook message to them. Okay, so number one, you will then have their contact information. With this business, it's all about getting their contact information to grow your network. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make a virtual business card. I'm getting out of my comfort zone and we're hopping into Canva, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so let me share my screen. I think that worked. Okay. So basically all I've done was I logged into Canva. Canva does have a pro version, but I'm using the free version. And you can just basically hop on here and type in what do you want to design. So I'm going to type in BusinessCard. And you can see they have like tons of options. Actor, beauty, blah, blah, blah. I like luxury. I'm feeling a little extra tonight, so we're going to pick luxury. Okay. And then you can see all the different designs they have here. So I'm just scrolling through until I find one I think I like. And I'm going to use this one. So it actually opened up a second window for me. And what I'm going to do is just basically adjust this so that it is Cincy-fied, right? Because that's what we want, right? We're just going to do a single card. So I'm going to try to delete this whole second card, the whole second thing out. I'm just going to delete that whole thing out. And I'm going back here. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what I want to first do is I have pulled out some graphics from our workstation. I pulled out the Cincy logo, and you can find that by going to your workstation and just typing in the words logo. And then there's all the different Cincy independent consultant logos that you can use. I'm not going to show you how to do that just for time, but super easy to find. Just go in the search bar, type a logo, and it'll pull you to a page with all the different logos, because there's tons of different ones that we as independent consultants can use that Cincy has provided from us. So if you prefer a purple one or a black one or a white one or whatever, the sky's the limit. Make yourself happy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to uploads, and I'm going to upload an image or a video. Of course, we're going to do images. And I'm just going to grab my 3 files here. I'm going to upload them because I don't know which one I'm going to like the best. Obviously, I'm going to take this picture and delete it. And I'm going to add this one. I'm just going to drag and drop it. There's David and I. Aren't we cute? I can pull it down a little bit more so his head's not quite so much cut off. And there we go. Then, like, let's say I want to use the black one. I can bring it over here. I can grab the corner and just make this a little bit smaller. What the heck did I do there? I do not know why this is scaling like this, but this is weird. There you go. Grab the corner and pull it in. Something funky I did. Okay. So I can do it in the white or the black. So just grab the corner and pull it in. I think it's because I did this. And so when I did that, it made it smaller. Okay. Obviously, we are not Peach Jewelry Studio. But I don't really like that. So I'm going to double click it. And I'm going to go up here to text. And then, like, I can see all these cool fonts they have in here. And designs, and I'm just gonna be like, hey, I really like I really like this one. And so I'm just going to click it and bring it over here. Then I'm going to drag it down and make it smaller. I'm going to take the Peach Jewelry Co. and delete it. I'm going to take the Make a Statement and delete it. Oops, I delete, well, maybe I do like the background deleted. Yeah, I like really clean looking stuff, so that looks good to me. I wonder if I can change the color on this. We'll leave it. Okay, so I want to change the text. So I'm going to double click in that window, and then I'm going to just type Steph and David. Okay, so I don't want it that big, so I'm going to come up here to the top, and I'm going to make it 14. That looks good. Maybe a little bit bigger, but now I can grab the corners and drag it out. And then I can place it where I want. Steph and David. Now I can delete this from the Millers because I don't even know who the Millers are. And I'm going to take this text and I'm going to write shop. And actually I'm going to do shop : yes dot. And I'm just using my SCENTSY. I'm just using my Scentsy website. Call or text, and I'm putting my phone number here, and Facebook, and I'm just putting our Facebook and our Instagram @ symbols so that they can find us on there. You could actually put all your Facebook site there too. And our Instagram is the same one. And there you have it. And so like I might want to make this a little bit bigger because 6.1 is pretty small. And do it just like that. Put that underneath there. Now you could add in cutesy little images and all of that stuff, but this is just the very basic, so I don't really want that to be purple. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to make it black like the rest of our stuff. I'm not sure how I feel about these squiggly lines now that I was all extra and wanted this thing. So I'm just going to come in and delete them. But let's say I want to add some kind of extra element. Like I like crowns. So let's see if we can find a crown I like. And it says free, so I'm digging that. Now I'm going to go into stylize and I'm going to color it black. I'm going to delete. I might pull this one down here. Now there are, so those are free graphics. So there are, I guess I'll do this. There are in the workstation. You can go in here. I'll just sign in. You can grab marking. You can grab stickers. There's all kinds of different stickers you can get. Leaf, fruit, Scentsy. There's the logo. Question marks. Let's see here. Sunflower, fern, diffuser. I want this one. Okay, so I found the Scentsy bar. And it's loading. And I'm just going to click download right here, the original image. And so I got it. And I'm going to go back to Canva. And I'm going to go back to uploads. Okay, so now I'm going to upload an image. Okay, so that downloaded into my downloads. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to click open. And now I have this little wax bar I can put here. Oh, you wait for it. Wait for it. I know you can't see it. We're going to color it. Oh, that colored the whole thing. I don't want that. Okay, I didn't like that, so let's undo. We're going to color just that. I hope we're going to color just that. Done. Okay. Well, let's just leave it white, and let's try to do this. Stylize. Nope, effects. You can remove the background. That's cool. Let's see here. What's this look like? And then let's push this layer, send it to the back, and there's that. Now you could do it like that. You could take this down. Bring to front. You could just put it down here in the corner. So it doesn't distract. Like that. Or in the middle. I don't know. These little lines are helping you center, which are great. So like that. If you like that, great. If you don't, well, change it up. So I am not a fan of that color in the back. So let's see here. Gray. Do I like gray better? Pink. Don't like pink on the... I think I like the gray. And then I think I want to change that text color. So I'm just going to highlight it, come in here, and I'm going to go make that black. What the heck? Text. And I think I like that. That looks pretty cute for doing something really super quick. And it gets the job done. So now what do? Okay, so you've got your image, your business card all designed. Up here in the top in the purple bar, you can click download. Then it's going to give you, it's suggesting to save as a PDF print. We're going to change that and we're going to go up to JPEG and save that as a JPEG. Then you're going to click download. Preparing your design. It downloaded it. So now I have this file. Oh, look, even made some cute business cards right there. Oh, how cute is that? Okay, so you can, yeah, whatever. You can see how cute that is. Great. Okay, so now I have this business card here, and I'm opening it, and I'm opening it. Maybe not. Maybe it's taking all day. My computer's deciding to be slow. Do, 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 do. Here it comes. Here comes the second time. All right, there you have it. So there's your digital business card. So now what do you do next? Next step is to get that to your phone, right? So what I would do is typically I would just send myself this in a text message using my Google Voice number, but that's not always an option. So you can always send it to yourself share it on your Facebook page, add it there, and then download the image. We'll just do that real quick. So what I'll do is I'll just open this back up. I'm going to go to Facebook. I cannot be held responsible for whatever shows up on my Facebook. And then I'm just going to go into here and I'm going to say, uh, okay. Hey, did you know we got a new business number? Text us so we have you in our phone. Then I'm going to just go to photos and I'm going to grab that photo that was downloaded. Peach, there it is. I'm going to open it. I'm going to just put the number here because my people will be like, what in the heck? And so there. So then I have that on my Facebook, right? So then I can go on my phone and open up Facebook. Go to my profile, find that post I just made. There's the post, right? And so then I can just push and hold, and one of the options is save to phone. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth one down. Maybe different on iPhone. This is an Android. And so that saved it to my phone. So now I have that on my phone. So when somebody wants me to text message them a picture, I can do that. Super simple, great way for you to have virtual business cards in your hand with you, because not only when you text message that card to them, you're giving them your phone number, telling them you're their Cincy person. It's a great way to branch out without having to spend any extra money. I hope this was helpful and not too crazy, since this was my first experience really with Canva. And I hope you guys have a great night and learn something. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye, y'all.